In this video, I will show you how to install HP Deskjet 2800 printer driver on your computer. To install this printer on your computer, you will require its driver. There are two drivers. This one is auto installer driver file, and this one is the basic driver. Today I am going to show you with the basic driver, right? So download this driver from the video description below. I have given the download link there, and after downloading the drivers, just right click on that and click on extract to. This one, click on that. It is extracting the driver files. It will make a folder like this. Basically you need to unzip that file. You will get two folders under this main folder: printer driver and scanner driver. We will use it later when we install it manually, right? So please close it for now, or remember the location of this folder. So let's start installing it manually. Click on start button and then click on settings. After that, click on devices and then click on printer and scanners. Then click on add a scanner. Click on the plus icon, and it is searching the driver printer for now. Click on the last option, this one option. The printer that I want is not listed. Choose the last option, add a local printer or network printer with the manual setting. Click on that and then click on next. Now it is asking to choose the port. So click on the drop down menu here and choose the port USB 001. I recommend you to choose 001. Click on that and click on next. Then click on have disk. Now it is asking for driver. Click on have disk and click on browse. And go to the location where we have extracted the drivers. We have extracted the drivers on the desktop. Go to the desktop and then click on HP Deskjet. Click on that and go to the printer driver folder and select 64-bit. If you don't know your computer is 64-bit or 32-bit, so please check the version of your computer. To do that, click on desktop and then right click on this PC icon and click on properties. You will get a configuration page, this one. Here you will get edition, it means your system version, and look at the system type. This one, system type is 64-bit. It means your computer is Windows 10 64-bit. Close it. And now you know the operating system version of your computer, Windows 10 64-bit. So please select 64-bit and select the first file and click on open. Click on OK. Select this file and click on next. Click on next again. It is installing the drivers, so please wait. Choose the first option, do not share this printer, and then click on next. Finally, your printer has been installed. Please click on finish. Go to the printers page and check your printer is installed or not. Go to settings again, go to devices, click on printer and scanners. As you can see, the printer has been installed successfully. So that's it for now. Hopefully you will install this printer on your computer using this tutorial. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Have a great day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.